Good day everyone, I'm Jim Ray Cruz from First Cream A19. I will recite symbols and charges for polyatomic ions. N NO3, 1 nitrogen, 3 oxygen is nitrate. NO2, 1 nitrogen, 2 oxygen is nitrate. CrO4 negative 2 is 2 chromium, 4 oxygen is chromate. Cr207 minus 2 is 2 chromium, 7 oxygen is dichchromate. Cn, 1 carbon, 1 nitrogen is cyanide. MnO4, 1 manganese, 4 oxygen is permuganate. OH is 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen is hydroxide. O2 minus 2 is 2 oxygen is peroxide. NH2, 1 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen is amide. CO3 minus 2 is 1 carbon, 3 oxygen is carbonate. SO4 minus 2 is 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen is sulfate. SO3 minus 2 is 1 sulfur, 3 oxygen is sulfate. CN04 minus 2 is 2 carbon, 4 oxygen is oxalate. PO4 minus 3 is 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygen is phosphate. PO3 minus 3 is 1 phosphorus, 3 oxygen is phosphate. S203 minus 2 is 2 sulfur, 3 oxygen is arsenate. ASO4 minus 3 is 1 arsenic, 4 oxygen is arsenate. SE04 minus 2 is 1 selenium, 4 oxygen is selenate. Si03 minus 3 is 1 silicon, 3 oxygen is silicate. C4H4 06 minus 2 is 4 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 6 oxygen is tartrate. C2H3 02 is 2 carbon, 3 hydrogen, 2 oxygen is acetate. CI04 is 1 chlorine, 4 oxygen is pyrrhic chlorate. CI03 is 1 chlorine, 3 oxygen is chlorate. CI02 1 chlorine, 2 oxygen is chlorite. CiO is 1 chlorine, 1 oxygen is hypochlorite. IO4 is 1 iodine, 4 oxygen is iodate. 1 IO is 1 iodine, 1 oxygen is hypodite. BRO minus 3 is 1 bromine, 1 oxygen is bromate. BRO is 1 bromine, 1 oxygen is hypobromine. HCO3 is 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen is hydrogen carbonate. HSO4 is 1 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen is hydrogen sulfate. HSO3 is 1 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 3 oxygen is hydrogen sulfate. HC2O4 is 1 hydrogen, 2 carbon, 4 oxygen is hydrogen oxalate. HPO4 minus 2 is 1 hydrogen, 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygen is hydrogen phosphate. H2PO4 is 2 hydrogen, 1 phosphorus, 4 oxygen is dihydrogen phosphate. HS is 1 hydrogen, 1 sulfur is hydrogen sulfate, sulfide. BO3 minus 3 is 1 boron, 1 oxygen is borate. B407 minus 2 is 4 boron, 7 oxygen is tetraborate. SiF6 minus 2 is 1 silicon, 6 fluorine is hexafluorosilicate. SCN 1 silicon, 2 carbon, 1 nitrogen is thiocyanate. And that's all. Thank you.